this video, we're going to show you how to use Logo Editor and create a logo field program using your Sketchbook Duo for your Marking Box and Patmark 2 units. Welcome back. As I mentioned in the intro, we're going to do two things in this video. We're going to learn how to use the Logo Editor feature and mark the logo we created. Also, a quick reminder. Use these videos as a reference and build your programs to fit your marking needs. If you need some help, don't hesitate to reach out. You will see the logo button on the top menu. Click that. This will show you all of the available created logos. As you can see, the Marking Box logo is already done for you. There are a couple ways to create your logo. If you select the Browse button, you can pull in an image file to trace, or you can freehand it. We're going to use this route to create an arrow. We need to clear out the grid to start a new logo. Go up to the Logo Edit drop-down menu and select Clear. The grid is clear, so we will begin creating our arrow. Select the Start button and begin. On the grid, start selecting some points. This will create your lines. As I mentioned, we are creating an arrow, so I'm going to just start by designing like a rough draft here. Remember, as you're doing this, you can adjust your points, and we will show you how to do that here soon. Okay, not the best looking arrow, but we'll fix that. To the right of the grid is a listing of the X and Y coordinates for all of your points. We can adjust your points to straighten out the lines. Let's take a minute to sharpen this arrow. Remember, if you're having any questions through this whole process, let us know. We'll be happy to walk you through all of these steps. If everything is looking good, then we need to save this logo. Go up to the Logo Edit menu again, but this time select Save As. A new window will pop up. You will hit the drop-down menu and select the location to save your logo. For this, I'm going to put it in slot number 2. Now it is ready to be uploaded to your Marking Box controller and or your Patmark 2 units. Go to the Logo File drop-down menu and select Upload Logo File. This will update the logos stored on your unit to be able to mark. When it finishes uploading the file, you will have to restart your controller or Patmark 2 unit. Alright, let's get to the part of creating that logo field. As usual, click and drag out a new field and select Logo. This will bring up available logos that you can mark, including the one we just created. Choose the arrow. There it is. Now I'm going to make some adjustments using the dashboard. For this example, I want the arrow pointing up. This will require us to change the angle to 90 degrees. I'm going to make some other little minor adjustments to it, but from here we'll move forward. With the logo field done, I'm going to add some text to the right. Click and drag out a new field and select Text. I'm going to use Top for the text, but the text type I'm going to change. I want to use the PC font for this. It's easy to do. Hit the Font button and select PC font. That's it. There we go. Let's make some minor tweaks to this field specifically. Change the height and spacing and location. If everything's looking good to you, select Start and let's mark. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about our products or have programming questions, contact us. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful training and product videos.